My name's Katie Harris and I'm Early Talent Partner at Transport for Wales. We have been celebrating the launch of our second cohort of our graduate programme. We've had all of our grads in from our new cohort to welcome them into the business. We've had talks and advice and guidance given from our execs and some of the members of our senior leadership team, as well as being able to do some networking and meeting with our existing grads. We've got a multitude of different graduates in various specialisms across the organisation. They get to work on exciting pieces of work that has a lot of purpose behind it. They can really see the tangible outcomes of their achievements. We're looking at developing the leaders of the future, so they have a great leadership programme that runs alongside what they're doing on the scheme, and there's a lot of emphasis around personal growth and development.
My name is Ross and I'll be in the Business Generalist graduate scheme. I'm excited to be joining TFW because I want to explore more within the transport sector and also learn a lot of self-development as well. So in terms of, for example, in the Business Generalist programme, you'll be on different business projects, for example, maybe different leadership skills. And previously I've not had the chance to pick that up in previous roles, so that's definitely something I'm looking forward to.
My name is Nia Blevin. I'm going to be on the Business Generalist scheme. I'm looking forward to looking into the different business areas specifically and understanding how different areas of the business work, from legal to commercial, and just getting involved in all the different areas.
My name's Thomas James and I'm taking part in the Project Management Graduate Scheme for Transport for Wales. TFW is quite a new company. There's a lot of expansion that's going to happen. I want to be part of that. I'd like to make an impact on the everyday life of people using public transport.
We're really excited to follow their journey as they grow and develop over the next couple of years. We'll be recruiting shortly for our next cohort, so vacancies and adverts will be going live towards the middle and end of September. So you can go along to our website and apply ready for our September 2023 cohort.